So even though we're getting close to the end of the pool season, this is the Betta pool skimmer, and my wife and I like to call it the Star Trek Enterprise because we have so many machines that are in our pool that we have to give them names so we can identify which one the other person is talking about. But this thing is amazing. It's got a solar panel on the top, as you can see. It's guided by the sun. The solar panel powers it. It's got like a little flapper wheel underneath that actually turns. If you look closer, you can kind of see it turning inside that little compartment right there. And it pulls all the leaves and bugs and all the debris that's on the top of the pool. It pulls it into a little basket. And then once it's done cleaning for several hours, you can pull it out, empty the basket, rinse it out, and place it right back in the pool. What I love about it is the fact that there are no batteries that you have to charge, no cord that you have to deal with. You just set it in the pool and it is powered by the sun. The one negative, and I won't say it's really a negative, is the fact that the solar power, if you have like a very cloudy day, it can get to the point where it's just sitting in the pool with a little red light flashing, and the red light flashing indicates that it's not sufficiently charged. But that's understandable with solar power, obviously. But I mean, this thing is amazing and we love it. Closely, right in the front there, you can see the little green lights flashing. That indicates that you have a full charge. You can probably see the little paddle on the inside flipping, and here it goes again. And it has these little eyes on the front that let you know that there's a barrier, and it will start to turn around to go the other way before it actually hits that barrier. Sometimes it'll hit it, but for the most part, it's actually pretty accurate. So.